our way on the way to the beach today with the family, and it is hot already. It's like 10:30 in the morning, but on the way there. She got her sand stuff. This guy's sweating. We're about to go pick up the other kids and head over. I think we might stop by to this hotel for Lillian's 18th birthday party location that we're trying to do. So we'll see how that goes. But Saturday today, I'm going to do some beach stuff. We made it to the beach. This is what it looks like today. Really busy over here. Look at the girls getting ready. They're wearing sweaters. I don't know why. Gotta put some sunblock on. We got paddle boards. Show it. Ooh. What was that? You're stupid. You made me banned on YouTube. Aurora. Aurora. Hi. Hi. Maybe sunblock, Ariel. Cause look how pretty it is out here. How's the water? Is the water cold? Try it. Go. Alright, you guys. I am going to do some paddle boarding. I have to walk like a whole mile just to go paddleboard and take off at a different area. It's crazy. But this is what my paddleboard looks like. And I'm tired. Alright, we are in the middle of the ocean, or the bay. See? So pretty. Look. Going to the park. Look at this park. Oh my god. I'm gonna spin it.
I can't. We need my mom to get off.
You want me to do it?
Mom, get on.
Uh-oh.
Can we go faster?
Sun is setting. Look at how pretty this looks right now. We're about like cleaning up everything, but the view though.